Just go out there, do what you're supposed to do. Do all that you can do that's in your power. And you leave everything else up to God. Yeah, try to make a little money out of today. Good morning, welcome back. So guys, I'm back here in the last video. I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did pertaining to coming out and giving a quote on a restaurant, and they said they had to talk to the owner. So I'm back this morning and I'm gonna get it done. Yep. Alrighty guys, we're gonna get set up to get this job started. Yep, getting my tools ready. Hopefully you guys can see. So we can knock this guy out. Yeah, we gotta stay at it, guys. They call us back to do the job. So we're gonna do the inside and out today. And I'm gonna be doing it once a month based on the previous conversation. We're gonna find out at the end of today. Show you in the back of the work vehicle while we're here. It's my setup. Got my bucket. Got this one I keep my water fed stuff in. And some more tools. We got rags in here. I think I'm gonna combine the rags. Those are the blue ones. And there we got the microfiber. And I got miscellaneous stuff down here. There goes my hand tools that I use. Those are my electrical tools. I got another bag somewhere at the house. And I got more stuff in here like solution. I'm going to put some soap in the bucket. That's good. I'm going to use my outside mops for inside and out. Anytime it's an initial clean, I just use these mops for inside and out. Because inside may be a little bit dirtier. Bring one of these brush with me. I need some more rags and I need some quad steel wood. Yeah, I bought a couple pack of these yesterday because I had a small amount left. I thought I was out, but I got this one left, but I bought 2 more bags. So I'm gonna see how this works. I'm gonna start on the outside and I'm gonna work my way around, all the way around. Kind of busy inside there right now. I'm gonna work my way around, all the way around. So we gotta do this. We're gonna come all the way around. Gotta do all of this. Inside and out, dirty. Yeah, try to make a little money out of today. You know, when you guys working, things that go through your mind. When you're working, things going through your mind. And a day to day, another business idea may come to your mind while you're working. Something to improve the business while you're working. I remember when I first saw somebody cleaning windows. I was in Winnipeg, guys, visiting my grandma. Never know I would be cleaning windows in my life. Growing up, When it's school to become an electrician, I still do electrical work, but window cleaning is a business. It's a low barrier to entry. You can start that business. You don't need nothing to start this but a couple $100. You start making your money. Probably have to go use a razor on it a little bit, but not too much because you don't want the razor to hit this here, mess it up. Try the steel wool first. Steel wool gonna have to work here, but everywhere else we gotta use that razor. Got all this gunk on it. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, I was in Canada, man. Came back home with my grandma and my family from the road, and I saw these guys cleaning my grandma's window, my aunt's house. I followed them at every window, man. I went to every window. I watched these guys cleaning the windows, and I asked my grandma, so you see these guys cleaning the windows? She said, yeah, it's my aunt. You have them come out to do it. I'm like, okay. And she got home from work. I'm like, what's up with these guys cleaning your windows? She said, I ain't got time to do it. I'm like, there's money to be made. Sit on this idea for like 2 years. I want to do it, didn't do it. And I finally started in 2019. No, it was more than 2 years. Maybe more than that. Started in 2019, no turn back. I got my son working with me twice a week. Just want to grow it. And I still do my electrical work. You got to know what you're doing with this guy, so you don't mess nothing up. I don't like using it, but sometimes you do gotta use it. Make a lot of money off of cleaning windows. And nobody wanna do this dirty job. You just gotta find the clients that are willing to pay. I don't think these windows ever been cleaned. I don't look like it. Guys, vote for clean windows. Give window cleaning clinic a call. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Share it with me.
I ask permission first.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I need to tell the boss.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
The boss is local?
Yeah. Come to eat.
Oh, he got multiple places.
Yeah.
And they're opening up a new one
yeah,
too.
in Iskop. You clean there too?
Not yet. They don't.
One more restaurant, Ten Sun Ramen.
Wow.
That's in Atlanta. So boss got 4.
Then you to get me for all of them. Yeah.
Now you already get 2.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's nice. Because, you know, I've been clean from day one. The grand opening, I clean it.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
I asked him.
Yeah.
This time I have someone to
Yeah.
clean. But to me, it's not very
No, they don't. There's a lot of stuff on it. I got to use a lot of stuff to take it off, you know?
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Then I remember, I should ask him. Then
Yeah.
he give me your number.
Yeah, everybody is good. They treat me really nice, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it. You know, it's gonna look much better when we're done. Sounds good, sounds
If
good.
you want drink, you let me know.
Yes, when I come inside, thank you. I learned a lot today. Guys, you get that conversation? Guys, so I just finished up that job. It went pretty well. We're gonna be doing that store once a month now. So that's a new client for us. It's a new client for us. You have your service business, you have any business, just do good service. If you do good service, it's gonna speak for itself. This referral from one of my clients that referred me over here, the same owner owned all of them. I didn't know that. The same owner owned this location and owned the other store that I do. Probably met the owner once. So now I'm heading over to another job that I had the contract for like a year, and circumstances, they didn't want to do the service anymore, and now they called me up back like 2 days ago on Wednesday and said they want to start up back the service. God is good. So the mindset got to be right. That's all I got to say. The mindset got to be right. Sometimes you may think it ain't going right, but it's always going right because God is in the plan. God is in the plan. Hopefully I can finish up my day in time before 5 o'clock. Because I really want to go home and cook some food. Guys, it's a good day today. But the moral of this video, the reason why I do this video is because I want to follow up on the previous video. And how you have to think, just go out there, do what you're supposed to do. Do all that you can do that's in your power. And you leave everything else up to God. You leave everything else up to God. Just do what you got to do. Keep on going out there, talking to more clients. I was just there a while ago at this job, and this guy came in while I was cleaning, and he went to the back, like after the back, sitting there on his computer. So I thought he was gonna have lunch or something. Then while I was leaving, he was leaving. I saw him went into the back of the kitchen, and then he came back out. And while he was walking back out, I said to him, what kind of business you're in? He said, I'm in sales. And I saw on his shirt, it says Cisco. I said, okay. I said, Cisco? I said, McDonald's used to be a big contract for Cisco, right? And he was like, I'm not sure. I'm on the lower end, so all of those stuff probably above me and stuff like that. And I'm like, oh, I partner with somebody because I was working for Do Right Electric, and when I started cleaning windows, they got me my first big contract because we used to do electrical work for the McDonald's over there in Omaha, Nebraska. So that's why I was like, oh, I used to work with somebody because I used to clean McDonald's windows. So I know I used to see Cisco, and I probably heard him talk about it before. And me and him was just like talking, and he walk off and he make a U-turn, boop, and he come back to me. And he said, I think he saw my car, and then he come back and like, is this you around here? I said, yeah. And he said, you got a business card? I said, yeah, I got a business card. And I gave him, said, man, I got a bunch of clients in the Alpharetta, in the Marietta, Kennesaw, Where's your route? I said, I work everywhere. I work everywhere. And he said, man, I got a bunch of clients that might need the service. So guess what? You just got to go out there, man. If you're inside the bed, sleeping, the opportunity is going to be outside where you ain't going to be able to get that opportunity or even see that opportunity. So you just got to keep it moving. Well, let me know. Thank you. So guys, guess what? We'll see you on the next one. Thank you again for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Share this video to someone who is thinking about starting their business. I'm just here sharing my story, sharing what's going on with me out here on a day-to-day as a window cleaner, as a business owner, entrepreneur, just what's going on a day-to-day. Yep.